What's up everyone, Chuck here with VMP Performance, and as you can tell today we're not at the VMP Ranch. In fact, we're here at beautiful New Smyrna Beach. We've got our beloved Track Attack out here, and today I want to take you around some of the beautiful sights and sounds of Daytona and New Smyrna, show you some of the cool things you can check out while you're here on a vacation package. So not only are you going to leave with a great new tan, you're going to leave with a bunch more horsepower. Let's get in the car, let's go check some things out. So what all's included in the VMP vacation package? Well, a blower of your choice first off, whether that's the Loki blower, the Gen 3R, or Odin. It's a full install, including all the necessary components to get your car supercharged. A 2-night stay on the beach in New Smyrna Beach, as well as a dyno tune you're welcome to come and watch. You'll get to drive your car home with all of its newfound power, running just like the day you picked it up, but with a whole lot of extra get up. So after you've had your fun at the beach, you've had the great seafood, head on back to the VMP Ranch, watch your car get dynoed, get that final horsepower number. You leave home with a whole lot more horsepower and a whole lot of great memories from this area. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and you want a vacation package for your F-150 or Mustang, hit us up at VMP Performance.